And a fringe group, Karni Sena, has jumped in support of actor Kangana Ranaut. Karni Sena says that it will be present at the Mumbai airport on the 9th of September to support Kangana Ranaut when she lands in the city. Karni Sena members will be protecting and escorting, according to them, the late actor from the airport to her home. Kangana, remember, has been facing the ire of Shiv Sena after she compared Mumbai with Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, responding to Shiv Sena reactions as well. Several Sena ministers and MP Sanjay Raut, for example, have unleashed attacks on her. Saurabh Bhuktania is tracking all the latest on that. So, Saurabh, this is big news. She will, of course, have a security cordon now when she arrives in Mumbai on 9th of September. But even Karni Sena feels that they want to be there to support and protect her.
Ever since this whole thing has erupted, there's a huge political war which has started, Pooja. And now we know how Shiv Sena had protested against Kangana Ranaut. We saw how her effigies were burned. There were so many protests all over Mumbai and the neighboring districts. Now, on September 9, when Kangana Ranaut comes down to Mumbai, she will be having Y category security. But now Karni Sena has joined into action. This is just going to escalate tension between the ruling party.
Yes.
Because Karni Sena going on record and they are saying that there will be a team of Karni Sena who will be present at the airport. They will not just be present at the airport, but they will go through the convoy of Kangana Ranaut all the way to her house, and they will be protecting her. They will be present outside her house till the time she stays in Mumbai. This is going to just escalate the whole issue because Shiv Sena is not going to like this. They will also start a protest against Kangana Ranaut when she arrives in the city. So there is a lot of things, and it can be a major tension between the two parties as well. There can be a clashes as well.
So clearly, Saurabh, on September 9, we can expect a showdown there in Mumbai when Kangana Ranaut lands, and she'll be bagged with a security cordon, a Y-level security. Keep tracking all the latest. Thank you very much for now. Remember, amid the war of words between the Shiv Sena and actor Kangana Ranaut will now